Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing an introduction video to a new job site we're doing. As you can see, obviously spoiler alert, shop's still sitting as it is. We're still waiting on some paperwork. I have the roof here, I have the strapping here, the aluminum for the soffit and the fascia is all here. Waiting on paperwork still. Also, in the meantime, I've got a ton of stone here that we've been slowly prepping for a job site. Stone usually comes, I don't know, it's got like a rough, I don't know if I can, there's a rough face to it, and I've been chiseling it. I didn't actually really know this because I don't do a lot of stone work, but I'm no mason, but stone, when you get it, arrives rough faced, and to get it ready to be stacked like this, where the ends will meet nicely, you actually have to chisel a straight line all the way around. So these ones are, we've already pre-prepped here. These ones are not, but you can see when they're stacked, they look kind of uniform and nice with each other, rather than these random looks. Just wanted to show a quick introduction to this new job site. We had a portico that needed to be repaired, a stone archway above the door that needed to be repaired, and this stone here, we're going to do a ledger course about 5 feet tall around the whole front. Enjoy the video. Just wanted to do a quick walkthrough of the house before I go crazy. We are here at this beautiful home in Ajax. Most of the work here will be stonework. A lot of these precast pillars are starting to rust up, starting to spall, I should say. So we're going to be replacing the bottom pillars here, and we're going to be doing new stone about 4.5 feet up. When these steps were redone, it's been causing some issues to the bottom of the brick, so that's all going to be replaced with stone about this height all the way up and across. We've already done some work to this house. This little balcony up here, the bottom of this wood, all this stuff was starting to dry rot a little bit. There were some ants in there, so this, what you see here, is all been replaced with plastic, PVC, and painted to match. So these, up here is all new plastic, PVC, and painted. And then the front door has the same issues with the bottom stones starting to spall away, so we're going to be replacing that. We have a new one there. I'm just starting to take off the caulking now. All that caulking up there has split, and the keystone and this stone here have fallen, and most of our work here will be replacing these stones and re-pointing these joints here. So last week we focused on repairing this up here. We also put new soffit up there, but today's focus is this, getting these front stones around this door reset properly and recocked. And then later on we'll focus on putting new stone banding all the way down and around the front. Please hit that like button and leave a comment down below and consider subscribing. shop's still standing. We're still waiting on paperwork, but hopefully after this stone job is done, we could throw this roof up and get the ball rolling on that. Thanks for watching.